Okay, just now we talked about that our tool can be used on Ford and new Jaguar car. Now we can have a look at the key. This is a picture of the key, and this is the real key of Ford. Also, we can have a look at the construction of the key. On each key, there will be 6 positions. We can have a detailed look at the key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On each position, there will be an arrow, and the arrow will be separated in 4, depend on the degree. Number 1 is 0 degree. Number 2 is 11 degree. Number 3 is 24.3 degree. Number 4 is 35.3 degree. After we know this, that we can have a look at the key again. This 6 number means different arrow. Number 1 is 0 degree. We can have a look. Then we know that this key is made by these 6 different arrows.